Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. It's been a very busy month for me, so I haven't been posting too much. But with that being said, a couple weeks ago I was watching the Heavy Wrenches live stream on Saturday night, and the topic got brought up on like a basic like introduction set to use. And I had thrown out there that my opinion was the expert tools for someone getting started in the industry, or even somebody who wants some really good quality do-it-yourself type of stuff at home. So that brings me to this video. This is my go-to kit at the house, and I've used it at work. It's just altogether just a good kit. This is the Expert Tools metric set, and so it's a 3/8 ratchet with extensions, and you got shallow and deep, and I'll get more to that what's included in the set in a bit, but basically I use the shit out of this set. Sorry about the phone. I don't know if you could see it here, but it's scratched up, it's beat up, it's got grease and shit in there, but this is my go-to ratchet, definitely, hands down. And this is all my opinion, but thought I'd just make a little quick video on this, just in case any of you guys are curious on a good starter set. So let's get rolling here. So what comes in the set? You got shallow and deep 10 through 19, skipping 16 for the shallows and the deeps, and deeps only go up to 19, whereas the shallows have a random ass 22 millimeter right here. I don't know what for. Must be common for something for them to throw it in here, but they did. So you got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, skipping 18, 19 millimeter, and a 22 millimeter in the shallow. And in the deeps, we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, skipping 16, 17, skipping 18, and 19. I'm not sure why they did it. That's a little bit of a dislike as far as this set goes. I don't know why they did that, but for the most part, it's the common ones, I guess. I would like to see 18, personally. And then, I guess same with the shallows. I don't know what the 22's in there for, but I have used it before, so I guess it does come in handy. One of my favorite, it's not even that big of a deal, but one of my favorite things about these sockets is the little dots that are right here in the socket. I just like that. It's a cool little design. I think it's different than everybody else. I've never really seen that. It just looks cool to me. It serves no purpose. But yeah, they are I guess considered, I don't know the word for it, but what their competitor would label as flank drive. They do carry the same feature where they do bite on the flats of the bolt and not on the edges to prevent rounding off, which I think is cool, especially in a basic starter set. Here you see I have a 3/8 drive Craftsman made in USA socket, and this one happens to be 15 millimeter. So if you see here, there's a significant size difference as far as depth on them. The Craftsman's a little deeper, where these are more almost like a mid-length, it seems like. But nonetheless, they've got the job done for me so far. but just kind of just a personal preference thing. However, the broaching is a little more shallow on the Expert as opposed to the Craftsman USA. So that's a plus right there. But I'll let you take a good look at that. Both 15mm 3/8 drives. These are engraved or etched into the steel. They are not stamped, which is nice. This won't wear out, or at least it shouldn't, over the years, as opposed to just laser etching, which rubs off. I think that's cool, and that applies to everything. Extensions, sockets, the numbers, as well as the part number, and yeah. This is a very convenient set, as it comes in this little blow molded case that does lock, so you can carry it around, take it to job sites, take it in your back of your car, back of your truck, whatever it be, and quickly just grab some shit that you need. That's technically what I use it for. It always kind of stays in this case, and I grab it and go. If we go on road trips, I do take this, as that we in the family own metric, I should say import vehicles, which is only metric fasteners on the vehicle. So this is kind of a good kit that kind of covers me almost 100%. So I'll get to that in a little bit, some usage that I do use it for. Alright, so we're back, and we're using the Expert tool set, the metric set, to do a little job here on this 4Runner, and do a little time lapse and see how this tool performs. Mm, 12mm, and a 17 for the oil feed up to the valve cover, as well as 6-inch extension. I did have to break out the cordless power tools just to speed things up a little bit, but mainly those are the 3 sockets you'll need out of the set, and it's more than enough to get the job done. See if we can roll some more clips of other uses for them. Let's talk about the ratchet here. I don't know how many teeth are in here, but it's very fine. I would say at the minimum, I would say at least 72. 72 teeth sounds about right. But nonetheless, it's perfect. It is quick release. I personally like quick release more than just the press on, due to the fact that when I'm working in an engine bay, I do not want to drop something as I'm pulling a ratchet out of the engine bay. I don't want to get it snagged on something, pop off the socket or extension, and then I just lost it. That frustrates the hell out of me. So I personally like it locked on there like that. It's just my personal preference, but yeah, ratchet, sealed head. Push release. One thing about this too is the lever is reversed to how the United States typically does their ratchets, or at least many of the big brand companies, they are reversed. And I don't know if that's because this is a European tool company or not. I'm not sure why. Or maybe it's just a made in Taiwan type of thing, because that's where this set is made. And you know what? I made a mistake. I said on the sockets they are etched in. On the Ratchet, they are not. It is laser printed on there. So we got your part number right there. Not sure if you can see it, but it is E031612. And I guess I should write that down, or I got this video for proof, because that's eventually going to get rubbed off, I would assume. So as these are made by Stanley Black & Decker, they do carry the full lifetime warranty on the tool and sockets and extensions. And from what my Mac dealer told me, that even the blow molded case is under warranty. So if anything breaks, like the latch, you crack it or whatever, the hinges come off, it is covered by the lifetime warranty. I am yet to find out, because I've tossed the shit out of this thing, the back of my truck, taken it to the junkyard, taken it everywhere, slid it across the floor, kicked it under a vehicle when I needed to get it, and it's held up right. It's sturdy, a little scratched up, but held up. So I guess if it ever does break, I will do an update and let you know if the blow mold case is under warranty. So in conclusion, I think that if you're looking for a good starter set, you work on a lot of import cars, or any modern day car for that matter, this is a good little metric set, I think, to have around the house, in the back of your truck, car, or even at work in your toolbox, and you gotta do a road call or something. This would be a perfect little set just to grab and go. Just everything in there, lock it and go. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you're interested in this. This is distributed by Mac, so you do got to get it from a Mac Tools truck or on MacTools.com. Other than that, I really hope that you take my opinion into consideration. I do think this thing will serve you well. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't got a sticker yet, hit me up on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram for more daily updates. I typically do day-to-day post with some of my projects or my work stuff. It's just more of a frequently updated social media platform for me. So give me a follow, hit me up in the DMs, see if you can purchase some stickers, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.